Chives are a versatile herb known for their mild onion flavor and delicate, grass-like appearance. They are a member of the allium family, which includes onions, garlic, and leeks. Chives are commonly used to add a subtle onion flavor to dishes, and they are often used as a garnish for their vibrant green color and fresh taste. They are easy to grow, making them a popular choice for home gardens. Chives contain useful substances, including vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. They also contain minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Additionally, chives contain antioxidants, flavonoids, and sulfur compounds, which contribute to their health benefits and distinctive flavor. Benefits: rich in vitamin and minerals. Chives are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A is crucial for vision, immune function, and skin health. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that supports immune health and collagen production. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health. Meanwhile, minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium are vital for bone strength, muscle function, and maintaining electrolyte balance. Antioxidant properties. Chives contain antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. This antioxidant activity may reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes by protecting cells from oxidative damage. Anti-inflammatory effects. The sulfur compounds in chives, particularly allyl sulfides, have shown potential anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is linked to various chronic diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and certain cancers. Consuming foods rich in sulfur compounds, like chives, may help reduce inflammation in the body. Digestive health. Chives contain dietary fiber, which supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Additionally, chives may have prebiotic effects, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which contribute to overall digestive wellness. Cardiovascular support. Some studies suggest that the sulfur compounds in chives may help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, thereby reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as hypertension and atherosclerosis. Immune system support. The vitamins and antioxidants in chives play a role in supporting immune function, helping the body defend against infections and illnesses. Including chives in your diet may help strengthen your immune system and other respiratory infections. Incorporating chives into your meals can be an easy and flavorful way to boost your nutrient intake and promote overall health and well-being. Ways of use. Garnish. Sprinkle freshly chopped chives over finished dishes such as soups, salads, baked potatoes, or scrambled eggs for a pop of color and flavor. Incorporate into dips. Mix chopped chives into sour cream or Greek yogurt to create a flavorful dip for vegetables, chips, or crackers. Omelets or frittatas. Fold chopped chives into omelets or frittatas for a burst of freshness and onion-like flavor. Blend into sauces. Blend chives into creamy sauces like hollandaise or béarnaise sauce for subtle onion flavor. Mix into salad dressings. Whisk chopped chives into homemade salad dressings such as vinaigrettes to add a hint of onion flavor. Top on seafood. Sprinkle chopped chives over seafood dishes like grilled fish, shrimp, or lobster to enhance their flavor. Breads or biscuits. Add chopped chives to bread dough or biscuit batter for savory baked goods with a mild onion taste. Pasta or risotto. Stir chopped chives into pasta dishes or risottos during the last few minutes of cooking for a fresh herbal accent. Mix into creamy soups. Swirl chopped chives into creamy soups like potato or leek soup for added flavor and visual appeal. infuse into butter or oil. Mix chopped chives into softened butter or olive oil to create flavored spreads or drizzles for bread, vegetables, or grilled meats. These are just a few ideas, but the possibilities are endless when it comes to using chives in your cooking.